Have you ever made a handmade card that just wouldn't close properly, or you noticed the fold was cracked or uneven? The good news is there's a really simple tool that helps fix both of these problems, and it only takes a few seconds to use. Today I'm going to show you how to use a bone folder and why it's one of the best little tools you can have in your craft room. Hi, I'm Kristy Coromandel, and I help card makers build their skills and creative confidence so you can create cards you truly love. This is part of my Back to Basics series where we learn one simple skill at a time, making card making feel easy and enjoyable from the very beginning. So let's have a look at this little tool and see why it makes such a big difference. A bone folder is simply a smooth tool with a pointed end and a rounded edge. Despite its name, most modern bone folders are made from plastic or Teflon rather than bone. Its job is to create crisp folds without damaging your cardstock. Think of it as a finishing touch that gives your handmade card a cleaned, professional look. If you've already scored your cardstock, you're going to gently fold it along the score line first. Rather than forcing the fold, you're going to bring the edges together and crease it lightly with your fingers. Now take your bone folder and start at one end of the fold and glide it smoothly along the crease using gently, even pressure. You don't need to press hard. Your tool's actually going to do the work for you. So let's compare. This card was simply folded by hand, and this one was burnished with a bone folder. Notice how much flatter it sits, how crisp that fold is, how much neater that finishing card looks. It's just a 10-second step, but it makes a surprisingly big difference to the overall finish of your project. Now, a bone folder can be used for much more than just folding card bases. You can use it for burnishing a fold, like cardstock, like we just did, to flatten adhesive backed layers, sharpen the fold on your fun fold cards, crease boxes and gift packaging, and help paper stay flat after gluing. You'll probably find yourself reaching for this tool almost every time. So one mistake beginners often mark is pressing too hard. A gentle, smooth motion is all you need. For using cardstock with a dark color or a colored core, heavy pressures actually can sometimes leave sharp, shiny marks on the fold, whereas light pressure is going to give you the best results every time. So today we've learned what a bone folder is, how to use it correctly, and why burn actually creates a cleaner, more professional looking card. It's one of those simple tools that doesn't seem exciting at first, but once you start using one, you're going to wonder why you ever crafted without it. If you'd like to see close-up photos plus a few extra tips of getting crisp folds every time, I've linked the matching blog post below. If you're working through the whole Back to Basics series, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, where I'll show you how to use a paper trimmer properly for accurate straight cuts every time. Until next time, happy crafting.